Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download MyPayNow application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to open your App Store from your app drawer. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box at the top and type in MyPayNow. In the search results displayed on the next page, look for this application. Now tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and you will then be able to install MyPayNow application on your mobile device within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.